Alright, I got another, some more fabric in from Amazon, and I'm going to make another one, zigzag table runner. So I'm going to get started on that this morning. I've already got 2 rows sewed. Alright, I'm going to start sewing these together now. Like I said, I've got 2 rows done. I hope everybody's doing alright this morning. Making a 1/4 seam. Looks like the sun's going to shine this morning. Run out of, I'll bring you back. Now when I get these all sewed, pieces sewed together, and then I'll bring you back to finish it up. Alright, I got it on. I've got them sewed together, and I've got them pressed out, and I'm gonna sew the strips together. I'll bring you back when I get. Alright, I've got that pressed out. I've got the batting down. I've got the backing put down. And then I'm going to pin this around here. Pin it at all the corners. Well, alright, I've got this pin down. I've got the batting down. I've got the backing down. I want to make sure I got, oh yeah, I got it on. And I'll bring you back when I get through. Alright, I have got, I'm going to start sewing this together. Sewing it down. I'm going to leave an opening right here so I can turn it inside out. inside out, and I'm straightening this out. Getting this straightened out. And I'm going to go press it. That's pretty material too. I made that other one just like this one, but this is pretty material too. Alright, I'll bring you back after I get it free. Alright, I had to make sure it was on. So I'm going to stitch around the edges of it. This is where I've got it pinned up, opening here. I'll bring you back when I get through sewing all over it. Alright, I am going to stitch in the ditch now and quilt it on top. I've got it all sewed around. This has turned out so pretty. I love the colors on it. I'll bring you back when I get through. All right, I've got finished for this. I got it quilted, and it's just so pretty. I just love the colors on this one. All right, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.